What is my crime in Nigeria? Now because say I dey use my financial wisdom to educate Nigerians. You know understand? Now, my only problem na say I dey let Davido, Wizkid, Burna Boy dey know say instead of all these liabilities wey dey buy, why not use this money? Since the time when Davido, Wizkid and Burna Boy start to dey make money from entertainment, if they really get the interest of this country at heart, by now Nigeria for don get constant electricity. Instead of buying that car, you buy a transformer. Before you look at, there will be light in Nigeria. We need to attain that level of consciousness whereby every Nigerian they see themselves as one. Where one man is working, the rest are eating. We not reach that level of life in this country. Many people say, okay, Geh Geh, what you don't contribute to Nigeria. That hotel when I build, so do you know how many people I'm giving employment? Why they advise people? Why you not carry the money when they build house? Say they go take give people for data states. And who told you I'm building a house? I know they build house for Abego. Now museum and they build on Nigerians. Now museum and they build on. Because there's no way I go there comfortable, carry money, go build house where my fellow Nigerians are suffering. I will never do that. My conscience no will allow me to sleep on that house. I'd rather build a museum than to build a house. Go walk.
Like and subscribe.